Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Samsung Galaxy A25 camera distortion issue. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to fix this issue, first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and click on apps. Now in apps, scroll down and here click on camera. Now in camera, go to camera settings and after opening camera settings, click on reset settings. Now here click on reset again to confirm and then go back to camera and scroll down and click on storage. Now in storage, clear the app data and cache memory of camera app. And after that, go back and in settings click on battery and device care. Now here scroll down and click on software update and then click on download and install to update your mobile software to latest version.